All right, bet guys, so we're going to Sam's Club. Now we're gonna go take a look at all the snacks they have, and we're gonna see what I would get and what I wouldn't get, and what I maybe might try or I'll just recommend. So let's go inside. We're pulling into the parking lot right now. All right, bet guys, so we're just looking for a parking spot right now, and then we're gonna go inside. Let's go. All right, guys, and Sam's Club. So, a lot of TVs. Let's go look for the snacks. I don't really know where they're at, but I know they're somewhere around here. Ooh, these is low-key tough. Oh, dang. Full-size Airheads. $14. Let's just say 15. All right, cool. Let's see what else they got, guys. Low-key, little Black Forest monsters. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I might get this. Where's my shopping cart? Where's my shopping cart? Mother. Guys, I lost my mom. So there's some Chex Mix, some Bugles, and some Garlettos. I personally want to get that. I mean, we could try it later, but me personally, not right now. The Munchies, the cheese ones, the Flaming Hots were better. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why they took them out the yellow box. Dots pretzels, these are pretty decent. I don't really like them though, so we could give those a try as well. See what else I got. I see some more chips on the other side. But oh, the candies. Candies. I bet, so we're gonna take this box. Let's go. 25 bucks already. I bet, so we're gonna get Skittles. Probably gonna get another one too. Why is it open? Box of Skittles. I bet guys, we're gonna do some calculations. So I gotta pull out the calculator. So there's 90 Airheads, and we're gonna sell them 2 for $1. So 50 cents. So you can make 45 bucks from this whole box. Is it cheaper than the 60 count on Amazon? I'm not too sure. We might just get it just to get it. Should I get 3 or should I'm probably just gonna get 1 to test, because I don't even know if it fits in the vending machine, bro. So we'll just get 1. I bet. That's the candy on that side. You guys can see there's a lot of recess right here. They're almost $1 for each bar. This whole box is 33 some, and that's not counting the tax. The tax is gonna be crazy. You guys can see my cart's getting stacked up pretty quick. Let's put these in the cart as well. Just because I'm putting in the cart, that doesn't mean I'm gonna take it right away. We're gonna go through like everything, just see if it's worth it, if it's not. Because I'm getting like the variety pack, I might just test certain things. And guys, if I didn't say it, these are going in the vending machine. And then I'm gonna tell you guys how much money I put in forward, how much I'm getting back each month. So, all right guys, there's a lot more candies. We're just gonna go through the entire thing, so yeah. All these workers be staring at me and these people passing by, but I don't care, because I'm getting bread, you feel me? Shouldn't be embarrassed for what you do. They'd always try to make fun of me in school. I wouldn't care, because bro, I was getting crazy views. Now I'm getting paid to do what I do. So let's go. Yeah, so I'm trying to see if these spaghetti things are worth it or not. So there's 24 of them. If I sell each of them for 75 cents, so we'll do 0.75, that gives me $18. So $10 profit. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it adds extra money in my profit. So actually I'm not, because I just remembered the vending machine location, so I'm gonna put these back. So same thing, I'm gonna try to see if these are worth it too. These are like the tamarindo O'Hare, if you ever had these. These are pretty good. There's 36 of them, so let's do 36 times 50 cents. That's 18 bucks, so literally 50 cents. You can sell them 50 cents each, so this is 48 bucks in revenue. We're just gonna put in the cart, but we're gonna like see, like I said earlier, we're gonna see if we're actually gonna get everything. But maybe, maybe not. See what else they got, Now they have like ring pops, Dulavins, like they have all the little stuff. There's like so much stuff at Sam's Club. You could just test things out. I can't get everything. Maybe I'll come back and do it in the future. There's even push pops, guys, but I don't think I'm gonna get that. Why do they tax on the gum, bro? Oh my gosh. They are taxing on the gum. Everything's like, bro, they are taxing on the gum. The Trident's probably the only thing that's gonna be worth it. You could do $1, $1.50. My mom's pushing the cart. Look at all the goodies. Probably gonna spend like 300 bucks. I'm pushing the cart now. Mother's behind the camera. Do we need socks? We're gonna go look for the chips, and then we're gonna go get the drinks as well. So, gancitos, those are decent. People don't really like them though. I'm not gonna risk it. All right guys, so the place, the vending machine, is like a corporate building, an office building. So there's mainly like more people that are in corporate, so I'm assuming they wanna be like healthier. So that's why we're getting the peanut butter ones. Maybe we'll get the other ones to try it, but nah, we're gonna get the peanut butter ones. The camera's gonna die soon, but we're gonna try to get as much as I can. Still gotta go get the chips, and they're right down there, so I'm gonna hurry, speed through, run everything. All right guys, this is the cart for now. Ritz crackers, I need the little package ones. These are like the huge ones. Yeah, we're not gonna take those. What the heck, bro? All right, guys, I'm telling you, I gotta come to the stores like Sam's Club and the big department stores. There's 50 boxes in here, and they're running a sale. So we're probably getting one of these, but I'm gonna go look at the traditional boxes. So let's go to those. And this is our cart, guys. We're gonna start putting the chips now. Oh my gosh, we had a lot of stuff. Let's go get some more chips. Should I get veggie chips? Should I get veggie check, guys?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Nah, we're not gonna get the veggie chips. Now these is the chips we want. So we're probably gonna get a few boxes of these. Get 2 of them, why not? Put another one at the bottom. And we'll take another one. Nah, we'll put it back. We'll put it back. We'll put it back. What other chips should I get? Some Doritos? It don't fit. Oh my gosh, guys, it doesn't fit. Oh no, the box fell, bro. I bet we should be good. Oh, I gotta get these too. Or which one should I get? Those or these? Guys, Sam's Club has too many options, bro. I don't know what to get anymore. Guys, should I get this one? I might get this one, guys. Guys, look at my cart. This is a big stock. I don't know, it's probably gonna run me like $2,000, but we're gonna organize everything. We're gonna see what do we take, what do we not take, and I'm probably gonna get some more chips too. So let's check out these. I think we're good. The drinks, we still need to get drinks. No, we're not, because the vending machine. Okay, guys, so this is my cart. I'm gonna organize everything, see what I'm gonna get, what I'm not gonna get. But this is everything, man. Look at the restock, bro. I gotta get the clip, you feel me? All right, guys, so what am I gonna take? I don't know, man. I'm putting this one back. I don't think I'm gonna use it as much. I bet the con candy, I don't think it is gonna sell. We're putting this back too. I'm taking these crackers though. I feel like these, especially like in an office building, these crackers are gonna sell. I like those crackers, bro. I'll be golfing too. Now I gotta decide which one am I gonna take. I feel like I'm gonna take the bites just because I feel like they would sell better. I'm not really too confident on the gum. I'm probably gonna leave this. Let me put it back. I'm putting the gum back. I don't think it's gonna sell. On my vending machine, I'm thinking of putting a QR code, like a Google fill out form, be like, oh, what snacks you wanna see? And then I'll just put stuff, I'll let people vote and everything else. These red vines, I feel like they're gonna hit, so I'm gonna get these. The Hershey's chocolates, yep. Skittles, yep. Kit Kats. Will the Kit Kat sell? I doubt it. We are gonna put these back though. Bro, guys, I gotta go to the restroom like so bad. You don't even know. Lifesaver, guys. Guys, I gotta go to the restroom, bro. I drank too much water.
A few moments later.
I bet, guys, the camera's at 12%. I'm gonna go organize everything that we don't need. If it dies, then oh well. I'm gonna get a rotisserie chicken too. So, let's see what else I needed. Yeah, man. Should I get Pringles, bro? I'm probably gonna get Pringles. All right, box of Pringles. What I price it at? I don't know. Let's see. Walking through Sam's Club with my cart. With the cart. All right, so for the candies, we're gonna leave these because, where the heck did that go? So we're gonna leave these, guys, because it already comes inside this one. So does the Kit Kats, and so does the Recess. I'm leaving this pack of Skittles. I don't think I need it. I feel like we got a good selection. We're taking these boxes of chocolates. Let me get the calculator out, guys. So we're already at $410, guys. All right, guys, so this is the candy. Now, let's get the chips. So right away, obviously, I'm taking a box of Flaming Hot Mix of chips. Putting those right there. And then who doesn't love Cheetos? We're gonna take a box of Cheetos too. So let's put a box inside here. We are gonna take this 50 pack box of chips. So I'll put this one here. And then I'll take some of these Doritos and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, this is the cart. Let me know what you think. I'll get some other clips on the phone and everything else. So yeah, let's go. Nah, you're good. I'm done. I'm just making sure to pack everything.
What do you do, babe?
I'm I guess a YouTuber, but I got a vending machine, so I got to restock it.
So you just let them know what you're doing
Yeah.
and stuff and what you're getting at
Yeah.
Sam's Club?
Yeah, like what's the
people
deals?
do at Costco.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we just had a successful Yap session. So yeah, guys, we're gonna spend like around 500 bucks. And then yeah, like literally, fudge, the thing died. Total 0. Let's get a scanning. Dang it, how am I gonna scan everything? Let's see. Okay. All right, guys, secured the bag, secured the deal. It's the restock, guys. Rate it. Let me know if it's a good restock. Right here, Sam's Club. I forgot a spicy chip, guys. Doesn't matter. Let's go. We'll get it later. We're gonna put everything inside the truck. Red Vine, Hershey's white chocolate. Got the chocolate. Got the M&Ms. Skittles, sour Skittles, the peanut butter crackers, the Airhead Bites, sour strips, the regular Airheads, a regular box of chips. This is for me in the house. It's almond, chocolate covered almonds. But I do gotta run back inside and get a box of chips, so we're gonna go inside there, guys. So, all right, guys, put your cart away. But I forgot the spicy box of chips, so we gotta go get that. All right, guys, we gotta go get those spicy chips. I'm gonna get some of these, bro. Why not? I took it, bro. Where'd I put it? I forget it? Guys, look where I left it. All right, let's put these back too. Might as well. Be a nice dude. Where the Takis, bro? They don't got Takis? I want some Takis, bro. They don't even have Takis. And where are the Nutter Butters? I want some Nutter Butters too. All right, guys, I'm gonna get some barbecue chips because I feel like people like barbecue. Just put that at the bottom. And where the Nutter Butters? Okay, here we go, here we go. So here are the Nutter Butters. I'm getting these for me, bro. 10 bucks, 24 of them. So even these Hostess, I could buy them for 11 bucks, and if I sell them for 75 cents each. And I feel like that's pretty good. A good deal, quarter each on it. So I'm probably gonna get those as well. And then even the Twinkies. So let's see. And the Nutter Butters. There's 48 bars, so 24 count. I can sell each of these for like 2 bucks or $1.50. Let me do the math. So if I sell each of these for $1.50, then I get $36 back. That's a pretty good deal. If I sell these for 75 cents, then I get $24 back. So it's pretty good deals. Sorry. Hey guys, are getting some socks. Some all black socks. Let's go. I bet, guys, so I gotta scan the membership. So I bet another 70 bucks, something light. I don't want anybody having my card information, bro. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right, everything. Oh yeah, we riding this thing, boy. Oh, dang it. I bet, guys, so we got everything, taking my socks. Look at all the snacks in the back of the truck. I bet, guys, let's go home. I'm tired. Got everything. I'll take it back home. Yeah, guys, my mom just said, always check the expiration date. When I was selling snacks in high school, I bought a bunch of chips, a bunch of Twinkies and Ding Dongs. Bro, they expired, bro. That's why some one dude, he's like, hey, Rico, sold me expired chips. And I was like, bro, I couldn't lie because I did. I didn't know. I literally bought the box like literally a few days ago. And it expired, bro. So check the dates. I didn't check the dates this time. I'll check it next time. And if anything's like gonna expire, we'll come return it. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like me putting the snacks in my room, my closet, where I used to put all my snacks when I was starting in high school. Yeah, it feels like the old days. She wants a Snickers, bro. I told her $2, bro. Business, bro.
He would sell them to me back in the day in high school too.
Yeah, she paid me.
The drinks.
Yeah, the drinks too. Just got it for my brothers. But yeah, guys. Gotta let these people snack my snacks. Gotta get some profits. Reiterate my restock. But yeah, all right. So I'm gonna stack everything up nicely. So let's get started. So this is the restock. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video where I actually stock the machine. If you guys want me to go to any other stores, I'm gonna go to a bunch of other stores. So put what store you want me to go to next in the comments and I'll go to it and I'll shout you out. I'm excited to stock it. So see y'all in the next one.